Hey guys, this is Coleman here from Vapor Honing. I hope you're doing well today. I'm super excited to bring you guys our first version of the VH700. This is a prototype cabinet that we just launched. We're super excited to get these in production. Let's get into the details real quick. So guys, first and foremost, this cabinet that you're looking at here is our prototype. This prototype is made out of aluminum, but as we start producing these cabinets, it will be made out of plastic. It's going to contain a standard pump. You're also going to have your LED floodlight, a window rinse. You're going to have the works. We've specifically built this cabinet so we can ship it UPS. That way, we're not having to deal with the hassle of shipping. You're not having to deal with it. So workspace of this cabinet is going to be 23 by 17 by 19. Now it is going to have a slanted front, so be aware of that. So like I said, you can pre-order this unit right now. We're currently selling this unit starting at $1,600. It's a great benefit to your shop, especially if you're low on workspace. Guys, we are super excited about this unit. I hope you are too. Call us at 828-202-5563 to pre-order today. Thanks.